guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be reviewing this product. This is Indulgeo Essentials Bro Grow. This is particularly for helping your brows to grow. In this video I'll tell you how to use it, what time to use it, if it is worth the price. So without any further ado, let's start the video. So first we'll talk about the price. This is 20 grams for 810 rupees. This is the packaging of the product. When you open it, it comes with a spoolie. There is given 2 spoolies in the box. This is the metal box in which the product comes. So how to use it? So all you have to do is you'll open it just like this for oil, and you have to scratch it with the spoolie and apply it on your eyebrows at night, and then you have to leave it like that and sleep. As the brand says, you have to apply it at the night and you have to leave it. Consistency when you use this product, it will help your brows to grow. But I have finished one of the box and I have ordered this as the second box. My mother has thin brows and I know you are curious to know whether it helped me to grow the brow. No, it doesn't. I thought to give this product a try because my mother has thin brows, so I particularly ordered for her. I haven't seen any change on her as well. Like, her brows are still the same, it's not grown at all. So this is a waste of time and a waste of money. It doesn't help your brows to grow. I would really like to know if you have already used this product and if it really worked for you, and if you are someone who is looking for this product. I will not personally suggest it, but anyone who else have used this product and it's good for them, maybe you can give it a shot. But if you'll ask me, no, it doesn't help me. It doesn't help my mother brows to grow. So for me, I'll say it doesn't help for anything. So yeah, it's complete a waste of time and a waste of money. Don't go for it. And thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe and comment below.